Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and simply click on Open. Then wait for pop-ups to show up, and when they do, just allow in them. So while using the app, allow and allow again. Then click Home button, choose iOS Launcher, tap on Remember My Choice, click on iOS Launcher again and tap on Got It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Xiaomi. But you can also go back into the default one by simply deleting Launcher app, but you can also just switch between them by going into Settings, scrolling down, selecting Apps, going into Manage Apps, clicking on those three dots at the top right corner and choosing Default Apps. Now you need to look for Launcher, click on it and tap on System one. So now it's changed to Android, but when you click on iOS, Apple one will show up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!